So the Rendezvous palette is more for the evening, more for the stronger look. We have shades of purple, blue, gunmetal, gold. You have matte tones, black and brown. So you can go classic or you can go very experimental. The look what I created on Caviar, I would say it's breaking the norm, it's breaking the classic. It's for someone who wants to be a little bit adventurous, who wants to experiment. I used the metallic champagne over the whole eyelid and washed it out into an eyeliner. To intensify that again, wet flat brush to intensify the color and to pop it, to make it pop a little bit more. I layered it again, and instead of using my finger, you can use your finger, but I used a brush. In that case, I used a flat brush because it's a creamy texture, so it picks, and I can stamp it better on the eyelid and I can layer it better to create and to get more of a pigment and more of a stronger look. For the lower eyelash line, I used the metallic gunmetal and used it from the inner corner, and I brushed it out to the end of the outer corner of the eye and into a wing, basically like a winged liner, and in a soft way, I brushed it out. I used the blue dark gray eyeshadow, the matte eyeshadow, instead of the black because it's a little softer and it goes better or much better with the gunmetal.